4 dishes that seem healthy, but the more you eat, the fatter you get. Dried fruits and vegetables. Many people think dried fruits or vegetables are a great healthy snack that provides vitamins and is easy to carry around. However, did you know that when fruits or vegetables are dried, the water inside evaporates, making them much sweeter? As a result, dried fruits contain much more sugar than fresh fruits. Additionally, during the processing, some products are even added with sugar, salt, and preservatives to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. This can lead to the calorie content of these snacks being equivalent to a full meal. Eating too much of them can not only add sugar to your diet, but also contribute to unhealthy fats in your body. Instead of choosing dried fruits, eat fresh fruits to get more fiber and less sugar. If you do choose dried fruits, make sure to check the labels, opt for products without added sugar, and limit your intake. Probiotic drinks. Probiotic drinks like yogurt drinks, kombucha, or kefir are considered lifesavers for digestive health. They can improve gut health, boost the immune system, and support weight loss. However, this is a double-edged sword. Many of these drinks, although good for health, contain significant amounts of sugar, particularly flavored yogurt drinks or kombucha, which are often sweetened to enhance taste. This can lead to higher calorie intake and increased risk of weight gain if consumed in excess. Opt for low sugar or unsweetened yogurt drinks. If possible, make your own probiotic drinks at home to control sugar and calorie content. And remember, even though they are beneficial for health, drinking too much can lead to unwanted side effects. Fake meat or vegetarian meat products. Many people choose a vegetarian diet thinking that plant-based foods are lower in calories and easier to digest. However, the truth is, not all vegetarian foods are low in calories. Fake meat products like vegetarian meat, vegan ribs, or vegan beef are often made from flour, spices, and oil to mimic the taste of animal-based foods. This can make them surprisingly high in calories. In fact, these foods can be packed with starch and fats, especially if cooked with a lot of oil. If you eat too much of them, you might end up consuming a significant amount of calories without realizing it. If you want to eat vegetarian food, prioritize natural, less processed options like vegetables, beans, and nuts. If you do consume fake meat products, do so in moderation and balance it with a healthy, whole foods-based diet. Fruit and vegetable juices. Fruit and vegetable juices are a great way to boost your vitamin and mineral intake. However, did you know that juices can also be an enemy of your weight loss goals if consumed incorrectly? When you juice fruits, you remove the fiber-rich pulp and only retain the sugary liquid. This can cause your blood sugar levels to spike, triggering hunger and cravings. You may feel hungrier and end up snacking more, which isn't great for managing your weight. Moreover, many store-bought juices are sweetened with additional sugar to make them tastier. This can increase your calorie and sugar intake without you even realizing it. If you want to drink juice, make it fresh at home and consume it immediately to retain the maximum nutrients. Avoid adding sugar and always monitor your intake to avoid overconsumption. While these foods and drinks are often considered healthy, if you're not careful, they can still be the culprits behind weight gain. The key is to understand the ingredients in these items and control your portions wisely. Remember, losing weight isn't just about eating less, it's about choosing the right foods and knowing how to combine them intelligently. We hope this video helps you understand how foods that seem healthy can still affect your health and weight if consumed incorrectly. Always remember, balance is key. We wish you smart choices for protecting your health and maintaining your ideal body shape. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.